Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. A plain pentagonal problem is given like this. A pentagonal lamina of a edges 25 mm is resting on SP with one of its side such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. The edges on which it rests is inclined at 45 to a VP. On draw its projection. What is given in the problem? Side is given and angle 60 angle is given with HP and 45 angle is given to VP. That is, we will do the problem in SolidEdge. Just open the software, that is SolidEdge, and wait for a while. And in this environment we have to open the drawings and go to the page number 1 for practice and go to the line and XY line thickness is 0.18 to 0.25. that is type. How to draw the pentagonal? Go by formula method. What is that? That formula method is 360 divided by 5. 360 divided by n. N is nothing but number of surfaces. Pentagonal problem. How many surfaces are there? 5. Just draw the 360 divided by 5 is nothing but we will get the angle is 72. Just take a 25 side. First angle always 0 and 25 side enter. Angle is 72 into 1. 25 side 72 into 2. 25 side enter. 72 into 3 enter. 25 enter and 72 into 4. We got the pentagonal. What's the given in the problem? Whether it is a surface problem to the HP. That is, we have to select this pentagonal and make it rotate as a surface problem. Just make straight one surface, it is the surface problem, and move to the required position. Go to the line, take a projection lines A. This is go to the text command and give the notation A, B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and check it the dimension whether it is given dimension is there or not. And this is 20, all sides should be 25. Okay, keep it one side is dimension and go to the visible lines, that is start from here and make a separate line, wait for end point, and here is also connect the end point and go to the text command, show the notation, that is A dash in bracket E dash, here B dash in bracket D dash. This is C dash. Okay, go to the select this along with line and notation. Just use move command and select the corner. Just place it here and copy should be on because we have to change the position from one more place, and use the rotate command to rotate this. Wait for end point. What is the angle is given? 60 degree. And wait for here end point and give the draw the projection line. See why we drawn the separate line here because of this. Draw the projection line, wait for endpoint, and go to each corner. A, start from A. Where is the A? A is here. Place it here. And where is the B? B is here. Come to here. B is here. C. C is at the last. Keep it here. Just go to the D. D is till where? This line. Place it here. E is where? First line. Go to the visible line, that is 0.5. Start from A. This is the B. This is the C. This is D. This is E. Again come to the A. I give the notation. Start from A. B. C. This is D. This is E. What is the angle given in the VP? That is 45. Just draw the line. Minus 45. Just place it here. And go to the move command. Just select the second position. And we have to place A and E should be on this line. Copy should be on. Place it here. And then rotate this command. Select the endpoint here where you place that pentagonal, and when it shows the red line, then only you have to click. Then go to the projection line 0.13 and start from A. With the A here, we have to compare here. This is on XY line. With the B, you have to show the cursor. It will show the hidden line where it should be a straight line, and connect here. With the C is of the end. Show the cursor. Just make it straight and join the C. With D is in the second line. We have to make straight line and leave it there only. Where is the E? E is on the XY line. Just take the visible lines, and that should be a start from A. A is here. Where is B? B is here. C is here. D is here. E is here. Then come to the A. Give the notation. Here will be A dash. This is B dash. This is C dash. This will be D dash. This is E dash. And give the angle of given angle, that is, this should be a from XY line, this should be 60. This is from here to here, that is 45. This is your final problem. Just trim the excessive line. This is your final problem. Thank you for watching. Keep watching all the problems. You will come to know that how to do the plane problem.